Good morning, everyone. Welcome to, this is, I think, just part 2 of moving vlog. So basically, I just got back yesterday from our beach trip. We had like a whole photo shoot at the beach, so nothing has obviously gotten, well, I think like one thing has gotten done since then. I will show you guys that. As you guys saw in the last video, I got my headboard in that we set up, but I had to get like a box spring for it, and I got bedding for it. So like my whole bed is done, which is like the only thing I have right now in my room is just a bed. So I will show you guys that. And we have my chandelier, and we have the little like thing for it that I spray painted in the last video. If you guys haven't seen the last video, a lot of stuff that I talk about in this video probably won't make sense because I'm like referring to it. So you should go watch that one first. So we're gonna put that up tonight. And then today we are going to IKEA. Mainly we're going for my mom. I don't really know if I need anything from IKEA. I mean, I'm thinking I need lots of like little organizational things and like decorating things. My room is getting painted either today or tomorrow. Also, I made reservations at this antique store to hold this like a mini couch for me. I saw it there forever ago and I fell in love with it, but it's just not the color that I like. And so I've been looking for one online everywhere, and they are so expensive. And so I decided that there's this place near my house that does upholstering. So I'm just gonna buy the couch and like get it reupholstered in the color that I like. So I found the desk that I wanted online. I'll pull up a picture here. I think I showed it in the last video. We're gonna order it tonight. We're gonna order a few other things. Okay, it's the next day. It's really sunny and really hot outside today. So yesterday we went to IKEA. I got a bunch of like decorational stuff. Decorational. I got a bunch of decorative stuff. Today we are going to work on painting my room. I'm going to Lowe's with my mom. We're gonna go get some glossy white room paint. We're also doing these little like decal things on the walls. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them today or if this is gonna be like a later project. We may just get them today, I don't know. I think you can probably guess which color I'm painting my room. We're looking for ultra white paint. So we're home now. This is what my room is looking like. I basically got rid of all the boxes around the perimeter of the room. I pushed my bed out. By the way, this is the headboard, guys. I'm just now noticing it kind of matches this chair, which sadly this isn't even staying in my room, I don't think. But yeah, so I'm gonna start painting the walls. I've got tape here so that I can tape off everything around the edges. Here's my ultra white pure paint. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. I just taped off the door and that. I drew a smiley face. So I have like an actual, oh my gosh. I'm obviously not painting the wall with this. I have a roller. I'm just like painting the edges with this, and then I'm gonna roll the whole wall. Look at me doing things, being productive. You may remember how like a moment ago I had like a quirky moment and I painted a smiley face on my wall. Well, I was apparently too busy vlogging because it dried a little bit. You can still see it under the paint. Like, I don't know what to do. We're just gonna have to live with it. It's just gonna have to be part of the look now. Last vlog, I did talk about how I hate vlogging at nighttime, like because it just doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't go with my thing. So I'm probably only gonna vlog myself painting this wall, and then I'm just gonna finish the rest of this wall today because the sun's already going down. I think it's like 7 o'clock right now. So hopefully I can finish like the whole thing by tonight, and then we'll just be done painting. And yeah, that's it. Okay, now comes the really satisfying part. Sorry, my French music is playing. The really satisfying part of peeling this tape off, but I accidentally got the plastic stuck. Okay. I mean, it'd be more satisfying if there was like another color, but it's literally just white. Now we are in my office room. Obviously, like the lighting in here is really yellow. I'm going to start to work on my cabinets here, just filling them. I have some of my boxes of just like decorational stuff, books, vases, magazines, flowers, all of that stuff. But yeah, so I think that's it. I'm just gonna start to work on this. Okay, so far I've obviously only done one. but this is what I've got going on. I found these black marble bookends, totally forgot I had them, and this is the first time I've ever actually used bookends, so I definitely now know the purpose of them because these kept falling down, and I was like, wow, bookends are actually useful. That sounds so stupid, but I've just never used them before. So I have Vogue magazines here is where I'm gonna put all my Vogues, and then I have, these are like just my top favorite designer books, and then I have this little flower arrangement on top, and I'm thinking of leaving it kind of minimal like this because there's so many of them, it's gonna end up looking more cluttered. So even though this probably doesn't look like a lot, with all of these filled, it is going to look like a lot. So, and I'm gonna kind of space the books out, like I don't want it like book, 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 you know? So I'm gonna do like one of them with like a marble tray with like stuff on it. The other one's gonna be like big vases and another flower arrangement, and then like maybe more books up there. Like I want them to all look really, really different from each other. Okay, little update. It is looking good already. Obviously, this stuff is not definite. I could change this throughout the time, but so far this is just what I'm doing. I've put this marble tray here with a Jo Malone candle and my little glass decanter. I don't even know where the top of it is. I gotta find it somewhere. But I'm not sure what else I'm gonna put here. And then I put my little Vogue pictures that I DIY made. So I'm getting better and better at these. Obviously these sconces gotta go. I gotta find some new ones. But look how pretty these are looking. So I've decided to put the majority of just like my random books up there. I have these two vases. Isn't this one so pretty? I just got it at Terrain yesterday. I was like obsessed with it and I thought it would go perfect with that one. And then for down here, so basically these little stack of Dior books, I got them at the Plaza in New York. They have like a bookstore upstairs. And so they display a lot of their books like this where they lay them open so you can just like look through them. And I have this huge Chanel runway book and the inside of it is so pretty. And I thought like, I just wish that I could show the inside on the outside because the outside's just black. It says Chanel. So I saw that and I was like, let's just keep it open how they do in the store at the Plaza because it's so cool. So I have that open so anybody can just like come and like, of course I have it open on the French Gardens inspired page. And then I put another flower arrangement there. This one is still the same. I just put this little Chanel book over there and I'm deciding that one I think is just going to be the rest of all of my magazines that aren't Vogue. This I'm going to keep as like my Vogue section and then over there's going to be everything else, Porter, Harper's Bazaar, all of that there. Lots and lots of work later. We are getting really close. So this side I've fully finished. I've done these two down here. I haven't even touched those top two and I'm like partially done this side. Okay, so right now my dad is actually putting up my chandelier in my room. So that will be done tonight and multiple pieces of furniture have come in the mail. So yeah, I have some assembling to do. Okay, so here's the chandelier that we put it up. We're gonna shorten it a little bit. And then so here's the flooring that we did. We hated the orange flooring we had before, so we just got this like nice brown color. And this is what it looks like. Good morning, I have really different hair. So as you just saw, we did some renovations on the house. We got our flooring redone, new color, which I just showed you because that old orange hardwood was just not going with our neutral color scheme, you know? So we haven't been able to live in the house for like a week and a half now. So there's no furniture in the house or anything, but everything that I bought online, like it has all come in, but we're not allowed to put furniture in the house till tomorrow. So that's not gonna happen in this vlog. That's gonna be the next vlog. Like the next vlog is gonna be so eventful. Oh my gosh. But I'm really excited to move back into my room tomorrow. I have a desk, I have CT, which is like a mini couch for my office. I have a side table for it. I have my bed. I have bedside tables. I have lamps. I have picture frames. I have stuff for the seating area, like the chairs, the table. I bought a fireplace mantle. My closet is finished. Like I have a lot. So the next video is definitely going to be like all like furnishing, all of that. Yeah, that's gonna have to be it for this vlog. I definitely wanted it to be more eventful, but I had to work with what I was given by myself. But at least the next vlog is going to be like triple as eventful as this one, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to stay updated with stuff. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!